ask you about the DWG in a second, but I still want to go back to the floor plans because you mentioned a PDF, and what's on the left, I don't think of that as a PDF. So so download floor plans. You clicked on a button that said PDF. You're then
can you see the PDFs right
yes,
now?
I can see.
Okay,
I'm
good.
looking at iGUIDE Home Life Cycle. So now we're looking at a PDF of the floor plans of the space.
That's right.
And this is all done by the drafters at iGUIDE.
That's correct. You got it. That's
And
right.
there's looks like there's some more pages there that I can't see though.
There are. So this is the summary page. So this just shows you the first 3 floors, and then each specific floor will have its own page. So you can see these are all very similar because they're the same house in different parts of the life cycle.
Yes.
So it's not that exciting.
And boom, there are those measurements.
And then there's a summary, yeah.
There's a summary. And again, everything that we're looking here is provided by iGUIDE. This is not the contractor had to go create this.
Nope. That's the magic of the system. The hard thing about drawing floor plans is drawing floor plans. So we do that for you. Okay,
I'm going to take you out of sharing for a moment, and then I think really to get to the crux of iGUIDE for AEC is the DWG